Thinking about buying a home in Central Texas, either Bell, Coryell, Travis, or Williamson County? Whether you've never owned a home before or it's been a while since you purchased, let's talk about the pros and cons about owning a home. Hi, my name is Gloria Miller, Associate Broker with People First Realty Group with Real Broker. So when you're thinking about buying a home in Central Texas, let's review some of the pros first. Number 1, your wealth can increase as you build equity in your home. Research from experts and economists from the Home Price Expectation Survey believe that we're going to continue to see an increase in home equity through 2024, averaging about 3%. If you look at this graph, just based on a $250,000 home, after 6 years, you have over $42,000 in appreciation. Number 2, you gain tax advantages. Mortgage interest is tax deductible as per IRS code. You can speak to your accountant for more specific information and numbers. This can be a significant tax saving when owning a home. Number 3, according to CoreLogic, rents are going up and mortgages are going down. Number 4, you can stabilize your payments. Monthly payments are relatively steady if your loan has a fixed interest rate, while your landlord can increase your rent. Number 5, you have a secure place for your family to live and grow. You can also decorate and expand your home in any way that you would like to create your dream home. Number 6, a sense of community. Many homeowners work together to better their schools and reduce the crime. Now, I have to be honest here. I could go on and on about the benefits, but let's truly think about the cons when purchasing your home here in Central Texas. Number 1, you need to think about the maintenance cost. It takes work and money to keep up your home in good condition. It's sort of like your car. If you don't do an oil change, the car can blow up on you, right? Number 2, it can tie up your cash. Selling a house may not be possible during the first few years of ownership. Moving is more difficult and complicated, and you may not have as much flexibility in choosing a new job location. Number 3, your home can fluctuate in value. There is no guarantee that your home will increase in value. Just like any other investment, your property could fluctuate in value depending on the market. It could in fact decrease in value or rocket sky high like we saw in COVID. But let's not get excited about another pandemic, all right? Number 4, obligate your finances. When you buy a home, you're obligated to make that monthly payment no matter what. So it's always a good idea to have a bit of a nest egg as a backup for a rainy day. So there you have it. Let's be real. Buying a home can seem scary. So give us a call here at People First Realty Group with Real Broker and let us guide you. We'll take out all the worries and pressures so that you can make an informed decision.